Imagine scientists designing a human heart, printing living tissue, testing it, and eventually hoping to transplant one. Bioprinting aims to build living human tissue, layer by layer, using cells instead of plastic or metal.
Researchers are pursuing this because donor hearts are scarce, while many patients still wait for life-saving transplants.
Modern 3D printing began decades ago, but scientists later adapted the same idea for living biological materials. Early researchers modified inkjet-style printers to place living cells precisely, helping launch modern bioprinting research. Regenerative medicine pioneers then grew patient-derived tissues and organs, pushing scientists closer toward printing complex replacements. The heart is especially difficult because muscle, valves, vessels, electrical signals, and chambers must work together perfectly. In 2019, researchers created a small, patient-derived 3D printed heart containing cells, chambers, and blood vessel structures. The process began with a small tissue sample taken from the patient and processed inside the laboratory. Scientists reprogrammed patient cells into stem cells capable of developing into several specialized heart-related cell types. Those stem cells were guided into heart muscle cells and blood vessel cells needed for functional cardiac tissue. Patient-derived biological material was processed into hydrogel, then combined with living cells to create personalized bioink. A bioprinter deposited these living materials layer by layer, gradually forming a miniature heart-shaped biological structure. However, looking like a heart was not enough, because the cells did not yet pump together effectively. That complete printed heart was not transplanted into an animal or human. Researchers still needed major improvements. Instead, scientists tested smaller, bioprinted cardiac patches in animals, where some experiments showed encouraging repair effects. Larger animal studies followed, including pig models, helping researchers test cardiac patches in hearts closer to ours. But repairing one damaged area is far easier than building an entire replacement heart that works continuously. Humans have received engineered heart muscle patches, but these are not complete bioprinted hearts replacing the whole organ. Early human research suggests engineered heart tissue can survive and integrate, although clinical testing remains ongoing. Researchers are now developing larger, more complex printed hearts and preparing future testing in large animal models. A complete heart requires billions of specialized cells arranged precisely into muscle, vessels, valves, and electrical pathways. One of the hardest challenges is creating tiny blood vessels that keep every printed heart cell alive. So today, bioprinted hearts remain experimental, but each breakthrough moves researchers closer to printing replacement organs.